Blend Honey. It's a 3-in-1 as my leave-in. Yes, we're using a leave-in this time. Oops. Okay, y'all, so for today's Vlogmas, we're going to get into this Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Enhancing Styling Foam. I got it in extra hold, and it says it is to transform frizzy hair into full, shiny, defined curls. This is infused with vitamin E and silk protein, and we have a 10-ounce product. Curls for days, curls for days, curls for days. So my challenge for this product is to see if it will enhance the curls in my type 4 hair. Because when I think of Marc Anthony, I don't think of my curl type. So just keep it real. So we're gonna see what it does. Now, it has extra hold. One of the roses did mention me trying this with one of Annabelle Perfect Blend products. Matter of fact, it's this one right here. Let me get it. Let me get it. Or basically a product by Annabelle's Perfect Blend. So I could, we could go ahead and combine these, but because I don't know how this is going to work with this, even though this is a mousse and I should be able to pair them together, I'm just saying, most times you're not just styling your hair with styling foam. Even though I have done a lot of one product reviews, I do want to use a leave-in conditioner. So this may be the recipe for today. Now for this. Now, without even shaking it, it came out really good on first spray. Now I say all that and look what's happening. Okay. Oh, are we trying to get watery? We can't do that. Yeah. Am I supposed to shake it up? Yes, shake, then apply to damp hair using fingertips. Okay. how thick it is. Y'all see that? Ooh, by far, this is the best coming out of a container that I've ever had. I think this is gonna have some hold. And y'all know I don't normally do anything with really a heavy hold. This says extra hold. Yeah. You know, really, look at this. That is way too cute. I don't really do with stuff with a lot of hold on this channel, but things gonna change. I may start experimenting with some gel. Now my hands are slippery. I'm thinking I should have my hair more wet. I don't want to get it wet, but you know, that's what we gotta do. Shake applied to damp hair using fingertips. So my hair was damp, but nothing really was happening. So now that my hair is way wetter than it was, it's like dripping. Now something's starting to happen, I guess. Okay, y'all, my hands are so... What I don't like about spraying mousses or foams and stuff, it's just spraying it and spraying it with wet hands. Come on. Y'all just heard it click like it broke or something. Oh no. Okay, whatever that click, maybe I wasn't pressed down hard enough. Whatever that click was, it's coming out easier now. One thing about it, this does not have a lot of slip in it, or oils or something to run this through. Is there oil in here? Come on now, there gotta be one. Okay, I see some aloe vera juice. Okay, water, a whole lot of stuff that I cannot pronounce. Really long words. Fragrance. Y'all, please don't tell me this don't have not one oil in it. Hydrolyzed silk. No, it did say silk protein. Oh, okay. Okay, I promise there's not one oil in front of my face on this ingredient list. Not one. It does smell like lemon. Okay. Wow. Okay. Maybe I should put more leave-in on it. Imagine if I had went in with this without putting any leave-in. Yeah, this might be the first and last time this goes on my actual hair. This might only be for wigs. I don't see my hair curling up, y'all. Y'all see anything I don't see? Okay, I'm just gonna hurry up and move through this, but this is what we have so far. Is it for type 4 hair though? Right now it's looking like not. It looks like, I mean, it's going to give me extreme hold of what exactly? Of just my hair as it is. I was hoping it would do something. It says transforms frizzy hair into full, shiny, defined curls. It's definitely not weighing down my hair, but defined? No, I'm not seeing that right now. Shiny, it may shine. Okay, this is different. Let me continue on. I don't know. Let me know if anybody has used this on type 4 hair and had some success some kind of way. It feels like I have puffy water on my hands, and that it's not sticky at all, but it's not smooth or slick either. See, that side started to shrink up a little bit. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna just let it dry. Throughout the day, I may diffuse it, I don't know. So far, I'm not a fan. If you can't tell by what my hair looks like with these clips back, this wash and go, it's fluffy. I have my body here. My hair is all the way dry. It was pretty much dry for the most part before I even took the diffuser to it. So the claims that this transforms frizzy hair, my hair has the same amount of frizz it always has, so no, into full shiny defined curls. It's full, but then again, that's how my hair is. Shiny, I don't notice any extra shine than it normally has. Defined curls, you got to get all up in my face to see what it has to find. Basically, I have a, you know, just throw it out, wash and go. It is dry. I do feel the holes, but for the most part, and the hold, it has extra hold, so I don't know if there's different forms, regular hold, whatever, of this curl enhancing style foam. So I would say if you just don't want your fro to move, you don't want to really have anything happening, you know, you don't really want to move around a lot, then, you know, you can use this. This would be cool for, you know, when I put it up in this afro puff it's about to go in. But that, and this is with no oil on my scalp or on my hair. You know, my hair feels regular. I can tell that there's a hold in there, but for clumping my curls and everything, and I have some residue that's still in here in my hair, so. And I use a little bit of leave-in, super light leave-in with this, and you would think it would have helped. I think if I hadn't used this, my hair would just be, I'll be upset because this has not a speck of oil in it. And I gotta have something in there. I gotta have some natural oil somewhere, you know, but there's not. So even if I had used a detangling brush or something like that, which I don't do because, you know, I lose enough hair as it is. I'm not trying to, you know, cause more breakage by using the tool. Whatever I'm putting in my hair has to have a whole lot of slip, and this did not have any of that even after spraying on water. So, I mean, it's okay, but would I buy this again? No. But nah, that's it. I tried it. I tried it. Is this my Christmas hair? No, it's not. I'm not sure what the back looks like. That is it. That is it. So let me know what you think. If you haven't already, took a moment to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up for me trying this instead of you having to try it. And leave me a comment. Yeah, this is still a Vlogmas episode we're putting this into. So by this time, this may be in Vlogmas day 20 or 21. Yeah. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.